Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Let's draw some fun shapes together. First, we start with a simple circle. It's round and smooth, just like the sun. Next, we draw a square with 4 equal sides. Can you count them? So cute! Amazing! Now, let's try a triangle. 3 straight lines connect to make a pointy shape. Here comes a heart. Draw 2 curves meeting at the bottom to show some love. So pretty! Next, a pentagon. It has 5 sides, like a little house. Lovely! And finally, a star. It's a bit tricky but super fun. Shine bright like a star. Great job! Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Circle. Lovely. Square. I love my pen. Triangle. Heart. So cute! Pentagon. Star. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Blue. Purple. So pretty! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.